In this video, I'll show you how to extract your data from your Google form. To do this, you open your Gmail, click on Google Apps, then scroll down and select Forms. When this opens, you click on the form in question. Now on this form, you click on Response, and you can see the number of responses attached to it. When this opens, you see that your responses has been analyzed either in bar or bar charts. However, we want to extract this in Excel. So you click on the plus sign, and here you make sure that you select the create a new spreadsheet, then click on create. In any case, if your spreadsheet does not open but brings you back to this page, click on the plus sign again. Now we have our spreadsheet. I'm going to show you two ways that you can save this into your Microsoft Excel. You may like to watch up to the end or the second method because that one is preferable. So the first way to save this is to click on File, scroll down to Download, then click on Microsoft Excel. Our data is downloading, as you can see here. Now, the second way of saving the data is by putting your cursor anywhere in the spreadsheet and click on Ctrl A to highlight all, then Ctrl C to copy, or right click, then click on Copy. Now that we've copied, you go to your Excel, open your Excel, then Ctrl V to paste, or right click and paste it there. I don't know about you, but the reason why I think the copy and paste is better options is because it provides you with the questions and the data as well. However, as you can see, this is the one that we downloaded. And here, it doesn't show you the questions in most cases. It only gives you the data. So, if you really want to use it for analysis, then I think the best is to copy and paste and save.